Do you know why a really good trial attorney is almost like a bricklayer? This is a really important explanation that tells you why it is so important for an attorney to be like a bricklayer. Come join me for a moment as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. A bricklayer creates a home. How do they do that? What's the first thing they work on? They work on the foundation. And once they have the foundation built for a nice strong foundation, a nice strong base, they go ahead and put the bricks on one by one, painstakingly, one by one, and now they put the cement in between. An attorney at trial has to do the same exact thing. An attorney has to lay a foundation for the entire case. That forms a clear, strong base. And then each piece of evidence, each piece of proof gets put into nice slots, one by one. And now they get filled in. Instead of using cement, they get filled in with the testimony. So each piece of evidence, each exhibit, each piece of proof has to go in one by one, the same way that a bricklayer puts together a home to create a strong foundation with a strong outside so that now nothing's going to knock it down. Cross-examination won't destroy it. No matter how much he puffs, no matter how much hot air comes out of the defense attorney, that strong foundation will hold up. The testimony will hold up. So there are a lot of analogies that can be made between a bricklayer and a trial attorney, and even though a trial attorney is not getting his hands dirty and they're not calloused, the reality is that a good trial attorney has to establish a foundation. He has to go ahead and establish each and every piece of evidence. So unlike what you see on TV or in the movies, where an entire case is proven within 1 hour or 90 minutes, in a real trial, in a civil case that goes to trial involving an accident case or a medical malpractice case or a wrongful death case, it will often take days and days in which to get out all the necessary evidence to prove that we are more likely right than wrong, that what we are claiming is true. So why do I share this quick analogy with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into how these cases work here in New York. You know, I acknowledge and I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.